Hello there, fellow gardeners. Tired of battling weeds in your carrot patch? Weeding is backbreaking work. Thinning seedlings is fiddly too. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to grow perfect carrots, bursting with flavor without the usual hassle. This isn't a gardening miracle, but a simple, effective technique. It's all about giving your carrots the best possible start in life. And the best part? No more weeding. This method uses simple household items to produce strong, healthy plants. Intrigued? Let's get started. Our journey begins with something you might not expect, a humble toilet roll tube. Don't worry, we're not planting carrots in the bathroom. We're using the tube as a miniature greenhouse. First, cut the tube in half to create 2 shallow rings. Line each ring with 2 layers of soft toilet paper. This will be the cozy bed for your carrot seeds. Now dampen the toilet paper with a little water. Not too much, just enough to make it moist. Sprinkle your carrot seeds evenly over the damp paper. Use a generous hand, as not all seeds will germinate. Once your seeds are happily settled, it's time to tuck them in. Cover the top of each toilet roll ring with a layer of cling film. This creates a humid environment, perfect for germination. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in the cling film. This allows for air circulation. Now find a warm, dark place for your seeds to rest. A sunny windowsill is ideal. The warmth encourages germination. The darkness mimics being buried in the soil. Keep a close eye on your seeds over the next few days. You should start to see tiny sprouts emerging within 4 days. These little green shoots are a sign that your carrots are ready for the next stage of their adventure. While your seeds are busy sprouting, let's talk about the secret weapon in our no-weed gardening method egg trays. Yes, those cardboard cartons that usually end up in the recycling bin have a hidden talent for growing carrots. The individual compartments in an egg tray are the perfect size for young carrot seedlings. They provide support and prevent overcrowding. Plus, using recycled materials is good for the planet. Before we start planting, let's prepare the perfect potting mix. Use a good quality seed starting compost. Mix in some horticultural sand to improve drainage. Finally, add a handful of coconut coir or peat-free compost to help with moisture retention. Your carrots will thank you for it. Sunshine and shallow depths. Sowing your seeds. Now, for the moment of truth, planting your sprouted seeds. Carefully remove the cling film from your toilet roll rings. You should see a network of delicate white roots clinging to the damp toilet paper. Gently lift each seedling, with its attached roots and paper, and place it into a compartment in your prepared egg tray. Make sure the roots are pointing downwards. You only need 1 seedling per compartment. Once all your seedlings are nestled in their new homes, sprinkle a thin layer of compost over the top. Aim for a planting depth of no more than 1 centimeter. Carrot seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them too deep. A sunny disposition. Choosing the right spot. Carrots thrive in a sunny location. Choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The more sun your carrots get, the sweeter and more flavorful they'll be. Before you plant your egg trays, prepare the soil in your chosen spot. Clear away any weeds or debris. Dig over the soil to a depth of about 30 centimeters, breaking up any large clumps. Adding some well-rotted manure or compost at this stage will give your carrots a welcome nutrient boost. Now, use a trowel or your hands to create shallow depressions in the soil. These depressions should be just large enough to accommodate your egg trays. Liquid gold watering and feeding your carrots. In this section, we'll delve into the essential practices of watering and feeding your carrot plants to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Gently water your seedlings using a watering can fitted with a fine rose. This ensures a gentle flow of water that won't disturb the delicate young plants. Avoid watering directly onto the delicate leaves, as this can damage them. The leaves are fragile and can easily break or become diseased if they are constantly wet. Instead, water the soil around the base of the seedlings. This method helps the water reach the roots more effectively, promoting better growth. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Carrots need a steady supply of moisture to grow well, but too much water can be just as harmful as too little. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which can be fatal for your carrots. Root rot is a common issue that can completely destroy your crop if not managed properly. Check the soil regularly by sticking your finger into the compost. This simple test can help you gauge whether your carrots need more water or if they are getting too much. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Consistent monitoring is key to maintaining the right moisture levels for optimal carrot growth. To give your carrots an extra boost, feed them every 2 weeks with a liquid fertilizer. This provides essential nutrients that support healthy growth and development. Choose a fertilizer that's high in potassium, which promotes strong root development. Potassium is crucial for the formation of robust and healthy carrot roots. Seaweed extract is another excellent natural fertilizer that can help your carrots thrive. It contains a variety of nutrients and minerals that can enhance the overall health of your plants. By following these watering and feeding tips, you'll be well on your way to growing a bountiful harvest of delicious, healthy carrots. Happy gardening! A movable feast. Transplanting your carrots. Once your carrot seedlings have grown to about 5 centimeters tall, they're ready to be transplanted into their final growing positions. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your carrots have enough space to grow and develop properly. Transplanting can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, you can make the process smooth and successful. This is where the magic of the egg trays really comes into play. Egg trays are an excellent tool for gardeners because they help keep the seedlings organized and make the transplanting process much easier. The individual compartments in the egg trays provide each seedling with its own space, reducing the risk of damage during the move. Because the seedlings are already separated and supported, you can easily move the entire egg tray to the garden bed. This method minimizes root disturbance, which is essential for the healthy growth of your carrot plants. Carefully carry the egg tray to your prepared garden bed, ensuring that you handle it gently to avoid any jostling of the seedlings. Simply lift the tray out of its depression and position it in the prepared bed. Make sure the soil in the garden bed is loose and well drained to provide the best environment for your carrots. Gently press the egg tray into the soil, ensuring that it is level and stable. Make sure to space the trays about 1 to 2 centimeters apart to allow for air circulation. Proper spacing is crucial as it helps prevent overcrowding and ensures that each plant has enough room to access nutrients and water. This spacing also helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases by promoting good airflow around the plants. Gently fill the gaps around the egg trays with soil, ensuring that the level of the soil in the trays is the same as the surrounding soil. This step is important to create a seamless transition for the seedlings from the tray to the garden bed. Be careful not to compact the soil too much, as this can hinder root growth. This will help to prevent the trays from drying out too quickly. After transplanting, water the seedlings thoroughly to help them settle into their new environment. Keep an eye on the moisture levels in the soil, especially during the first few weeks, to ensure that the young plants do not dry out. With proper care, your transplanted carrots will thrive and grow into healthy, delicious vegetables. Reap the rewards, the benefits of this method. So, there you have it. Planting your carrots in egg trays might seem a little unusual at first, but the benefits are clear. This method is not just a quirky gardening hack, it's a game changer for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. By using egg trays, you can create a controlled environment that maximizes the growth potential of your carrot seedlings. Not only does this method eliminate the need for weeding and thinning, but it also offers a range of other advantages. Imagine the time and effort saved by not having to constantly battle weeds. This method allows you to focus more on nurturing your plants rather than dealing with unwanted intruders. The evenly spaced compartments in the egg trays promote straight, uniform carrot growth. This means that each carrot has the space it needs to grow without being crowded by its neighbors. The result? Beautifully straight and uniform carrots that are a joy to harvest and a delight to eat. The trays also help to retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. This is particularly beneficial in areas prone to dry spells, or for gardeners who may not have the time to water their plants daily. The egg trays act like mini reservoirs, ensuring that your carrot seedlings have a consistent supply of moisture. And because the seedlings are started off in a protected environment, they're less likely to be damaged by pests or diseases. This initial protection gives your carrots a strong start, making them more resilient as they grow. Healthier plants mean a more bountiful harvest. But perhaps the biggest benefit of all is the satisfaction of harvesting a bumper crop of homegrown carrots, all grown without the backache of weeding. There's something incredibly rewarding about seeing the fruits of your labor, especially when it's achieved with such an innovative and efficient method. So why not give it a try and experience these benefits for yourself? Happy planting! I hope this method inspires you to try something new in your garden. It's a simple yet effective way to grow delicious weed-free carrots. So why not give it a go? I guarantee you'll be amazed by the results. Happy gardening, everyone! And remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the magic of growing your own food.